We're back with Season 2 of Build Mode, the TechCrunch podcast where founders talk less about hype and more about the reality of building. I'm your host, Isabel Johannesson, and every year I hear thousands of pitches for Startup Battlefield, and I get to work with some of the world's best investors. So trust me when I tell you that for an early stage startup, your team is the single most important signal that VCs and media look for. So, this season on Build Mode, we're diving headfirst into what it takes to build a world-class founding team. We're talking to exceptional leaders like Leah Sullivan, the founder of TaskRabbit, about intentionally building diverse teams, and Jasper Carmichael Jack, the founder of Artisan, about employing AI while still hiring humans. And Yuri Sagalov from General Catalyst about creating compensation structures that are fair, efficient, and incentivizing. You can't build your company alone, and you're not alone in figuring out how to build the best team either. So check out this season of Build Mode wherever you listen to your podcasts or catch us on YouTube.